In MIUI 10, you can hide apps. Just open Security app, choose App Log, tap the gear icon on the top right, and the bottom lies the option to hide apps. Just turn the toggle on and your app will be hidden. You can access hidden apps by pinching out on the home screen. Second, removing ads. MIUI 10 now displays ads even inside its Stocks app. To disable, go to App Settings and toggle off Recommendations. You can turn off recommendations in the app settings one by one. Number 3. The settings shortcut in notification panel could be replaced with search shortcut. Just open settings, go to notification and status bar settings and select search as shortcut. Number 4. Power button for Google Assistant. Since there's no way to open Google Assistant when using gestures, in MIUI 10.2 you can use your power button to trigger Google Assistant. Number 5. Enable or disable recent menu suggestion. Open settings, go to home screen and recents, and turn off suggestions, and that's it. You can get a clean recent menu. Number 6. Move multiple items at the same time to customize home screen. Tap and hold any blank area and select apps to move. Now you can take them anywhere on the home screen together. That's time saving if you customize your desktop much after. Number 7. Show connection speed. MIUI can show you data connection speed. You need to enable it in status bar settings. Number 8. Raise to wake. You might have seen this feature on iPhones. When you pick your phone up, it wakes. To enable it on a Xiaomi phone, just go to settings, then display and turn on this option. So these were some awesome features on MIUI 10. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel.